In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access your remote desktop on your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings, open that up, select Chrome OS settings on the left side panel underneath Linux. Go ahead and select that. And there should be something that says remote services, remote desktop. Go ahead and select that. And this will launch your remote desktop services window. It just might take a moment to load up here. And then you can configure it based on your preferences and where you're looking to connect to. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Again, just wait for this to load here. And then you can go about sharing the screen or connecting to another computer. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.